Ever wondered why your morning routine never seems to stick? Let's dive into the secrets of not only creating a morning routine that sticks, but transforms your day. Today, we're uncovering the ultimate guide to building the perfect morning routine. Imagine waking up early in the morning, refreshed, motivated, ready to conquer the day. Sounds incredible, right? Well, stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have the necessary tools to turn that dream into reality. I've broken this down into three simple steps, and let's dive straight into it. Why does a morning routine matter? Mornings are the foundation for a productive day. They set the tone for the tasks that are about to come, helping you complete them with confidence and utter clarity. I'll go as far as to say that mornings are the most important part of the day. They transform my life and they can transform yours too. You just need to make it as effective as possible and you can easily achieve your goals. The art of waking up early and establishing a morning routine has been used by history's greats like the Stoics and currently Tim Cook, the CEO of the richest company in the world. So, if it's working for them, why can't it work for us? That brings me to the first technique of building a really good morning routine, and that is to eat the frog. I'll tell you a story. Imagine you were served a steak and a frog for dinner, and you had to eat both of them. Which one would you eat first? Well, the sensible answer would be to eat the frog first. You don't want to destroy your taste buds by eating the frog after the steak. That's just common sense. The same applies to your morning routine. You need to do the eat the frog task first thing in the morning. Eat the frog tasks are the most important tasks of the day. And the most early you get them complete, the more easy your day will become. Action step for you. I want you to take a notebook and write down the most important task you can do tomorrow morning. And actually do it tomorrow morning by using the other techniques I tell in this video. And don't forget to comment down the results. Now, what happens if you don't use the eat the frog technique? Well, your day will not go as planned. You will have low self esteem, and that low self esteem will creep into the other tasks of the day, lowering your self confidence, and you will achieve nothing in the day. Be committed. Think about it. Once you've tackled the hardest task in the morning, everything else feels like an absolute breeze. How much more productive and stress free could your day be if you implemented the eat the frog technique every single day? Assessing and simplifying your current morning routine. I want you to take a notebook again and write down all the things that you do as soon as you wake up. Done? Now, now I want you to look at that list and ask yourself if each and every action is adding value to your morning routine. If one action isn't, just cut it off. Maybe it's scrolling on social media or hitting the snooze button multiple times. I want you to cut down all the unnecessary things. You have to cut down all the cute and unnecessary stuff. This basically depends on the season of life you're in. Maybe you're in the money making season of life. So you don't need to meditate or do a cold shower every morning. You just need to get straight to work. I just woke up right now. I haven't even brushed my teeth. And now I'm working here. That's how attached I am to making money. You need to do the same. So, your morning routine basically depends on the season of life you're in. You don't need an hour long ritual, you just need a few well chosen things to build up a really good and simple morning routine. Another pro tip here is to not eat breakfast. You know, breakfast is a scam, right? If you don't research a bit, think about it. Like, would your ancestors eat breakfast early in the morning? No, they would wake up before the sun even rose and they went down to the ground to hunt for the pack. And then after that, after they completed the most important task of the day, that was when they consumed a really big and good meal. You need to do the same. I'm telling you, if you don't eat breakfast in the morning, you will feel so energized. So energized like you've never felt in your entire life. Implement this technique. Setting a reasonable wake time and prioritizing sleep. Next, set a reasonable wake time that aligns with your needs. This way, you'll get a full night of sleep and have the peaceful morning hours to yourself. Now, I'm not telling you to sleep at 1 and wake up at 11. That just defeats the purpose of a good morning routine. I don't care if you're a night owl or something, but just look at our ancestors. They woke up early in the morning, not at 11. They woke up super early in the morning, didn't eat breakfast, went out to the hunt, attacked the dawn, got the most important task of the day done in the morning, and then they came back and relaxed. Just look at your ancestors and learn from them. Speaking of sleep, it's the most crucial part of your morning routine. Without it, you'll feel grumpy and you will not have enough rest to get the most important task done. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Create a relaxing bedtime routine. Cut out all the light, all the blue light from your room. Make your room cool and you read a book before sleep and you'll have a really good night's sleep. By implementing these techniques, you will transform your mornings and set yourself up for success every single day. Don't get discouraged if it takes a little bit of time to actually understand what your perfect morning routine looks like. Together, we can conquer our mornings and our lives. Don't forget to check out my video on how to overcome procrastination as well. Thank you for watching.